Japan Sharp reveals a new robotic vacuum cleaner. It is named the Kokorobo, which combines the Japanese terms for heart and robot. The vacuum uses 3 ultrasonic sensors to navigate around obstacles and actively reacts to its environment. It can also trade remarks with its owners. The vacuum connects to a wireless network and can be controlled using apps available for iPhones and Android devices. It streams video from a front-mounted camera. The camera can also be used to take pictures of its surroundings as it spins in a circle. This feature can be used remotely, allowing owners to check on their homes and pets while they're away. Kokorobo speaks Japanese in 2 accents, as well as Chinese and English.
家電の連携ですね。エアコンのスイッチを入れるとか、LED の照明を消すとか、テレビをつけるとか、そういうふうなことができるようなオプションというものを USB を介して科学的に足し算をしていっていただいているような成長というものをぜひ心の中ではやっていきたいというふうに思っています。
Like other robotic vacuums, it covers the floor in a semi-random pattern, using 2 side brushes to sweep up dirt. It also includes Sharp's plasma cluster air cleaning system, the filters for which are built into its removable dustbin. The full-featured chatty version of the Kokorobo will sell for around 130,000 yen, or about 1,600 US. A more basic version will sell for around 90,000 yen, or 1,100 US. It will be available in Japan in early June, and released in China within the next few months, then expanded to other Asian countries. The company is still in the planning stages for a possible US or European launch. For IDG News Service, this is Jay Alabaster in Tokyo.